1 hour before President Trump declares a state of emergency, my wife decides to go to the grocery store and buy some supplies. She was met with filled up carts by panicked buyers with numerous supplies. She was fortunate enough to find stuff that she needed, such as water and a bag of rice.
So I'm not yet done. I need to go to the pharmacy para makapag-ready kami ng mga gamot para sa bahay, lalo para sa mga anak ko. Nakakaiyak sa loob ng grocery. Oh my god, first time. So it's crazy because it's raining, and yet I have to get all the soap, this. I think my car is too small for all these groceries though. Okay, put it inside.
This is what we found the next day going to the grocery. Empty shelves with no milk, no water, no rice, and no toilet paper. Despite the circumstances, one good thing about it is we get to spend time with our families. The kids drawing, doing some artwork. Well, me, I get to work at home. So does my mom. And it just gives more family bonding time. We get to cook, some dancing. And after all that, we get to cook my favorite food, beef picadillo. Cooking it is pretty straightforward. You cook the ground beef in hot oil. After adding about 1 teaspoon of calamansi juice, it is now ready to serve. Thanks for watching and stay safe, everyone. Yaha!